back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing Italian meatballs. Tonight we're going to be doing polpettes with a polenta on a bed of greens. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it. You've seen this before. 4-ingredient marinara sauce. First thing is the garlic, and then 3 cans of San Marzano tomatoes, followed by anchovies, a bottle of wine, minus a glass for yourself, of course, and then stir it around, heat her up, and let her simmer for 3 hours. Yeah! And now it's time for your polpettes, your Italian meatballs, milk, cornmeal, minced onions, and then you're going to add an egg, of course, followed by cayenne pepper. Mix that thoroughly up, and then throw your beef in with your sausage. And then you're going to be mixing thoroughly, like very thoroughly, and then making a log. And then with your eyeball engineering, slice it up into services, and then make your snowballs into your beautiful meatballs. Then you're going to cover it up and let it set. And after a couple of hours, they've been setting, you're going to take them out, and then you're going to be shaping them into your polpette. Put them into your saucepan and cover, and after a few minutes at medium low heat, you're going to be flipping them over and then turning them up a little, covering them again, and then get them ready to serve. And after 3 hours, this is what Mama Neri's 4-ingredient marinara is. Now it's time to dress up your polpettes. You're going to be putting them onto some parchment paper there. And then you're going to be putting on your tomatoes and then your Fontina cheese. And then dress it up with anchovies on top. Yes, anchovies, like I said. And then you're going to go into the oven, 400 degrees. In the meantime, polenta, last but not least, because this takes no time to cook at all. Boiling water, and then slowly add your cornmeal to it, and then stir vigorously. Keep it on a high heat, don't stop stirring, until you feel it getting what it is, and then you throw your butter in, and you stir that around until it melts, and you're ready to serve. Here's that beautiful antipasta plate I dressed up for you. And now here we are. Got a nice bed of greens here. Little sauce on the plate. Put your polenta down on top of that. And then pull out your beautiful Italian meatballs and throw those on top with a little basil. Oh yeah. Little flyby for that beautiful antipasti. And now for our entree plate. Beautiful polenta on a bed of spinach, followed by our Italian meatballs with tomatoes, Fontina cheese, and anchovies, with basil on top, of course. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.